of software and hardware options, but it depends on what you want to do with your podcast. Choosing advanced options means your podcast will sound more polished, but some podcasts are better with a more rustic sound to add texture. Advanced recording software. Here are some advanced recording software suggestions. Descript is a video and audio editing software that offers transcription capabilities. Hindenburg is an audio editing software that offers Hindenburg Lite and Hindenburg Pro, which is podcasting and radio production, Narrator, which is voiceover production, and Field Recorder for iPhone recording. Hindenburg also offers a free trial version. Use Adobe Audition as a digital audio editing software that works on both PC and Mac and offers a free trial version. Or Logic Pro, which is a professional songwriting, beat making, editing, and sound mixing software that only works on a Mac but does offer a free trial version, but is pretty expensive once you get going. Here are some conversion software suggestions. I use Switch Sound File Converter, which turns MP4 files into MP3s, but it works on Windows only, and CyberLink Power Director, which edits video files, and it's free at first, but they will make you buy it later. And again, it works on Windows only.
Advanced hardware microphones. Why are there so many different microphones? Well, because none of them are perfect. Choose the mic that best suits your needs. The best mic for you will ultimately mean less editing. Depending on how versatile a mic you need, there are field recorders, self-contained mics and recorders that can plug into your computer. Considerations. All mics change the sound somewhat. So, which one makes your voice sound its best? Does the mic pick up handling noise when you hold it in standard reporter style? Does the mic pick up wind noise, like when you're outside? If you're interviewing guests, should they have their own dedicated mic? Better mics mean less editing, but good recording etiquette and some smart editing later can make any mic a good choice. Don't overbuy, but don't limit yourself either. Which is best for you? Your computer's mic? Some computers have excellent sound systems. A USB mic? Great for solo or in person with one or two people. Less good in person with larger groups. Computers only accept one mic unless you plug them into an interface, which means more accessories. A condenser mic or a dynamic mic. Better frequency response, more versatile. Sensitive may pick up too much background noise. Another suggestion, XLR mics. Advantage, two main types, dynamic and condenser, better frequency response on condenser mics than dynamics. Disadvantages, they must plug into an interface before plugging into the computer, and this can get expensive. A couple more suggestions. For many, a Focusrite 212 will be adequate, while others may find a Zoom Podcast 4 more versatile. A couple of more suggestions for the interfaces. A Focusrite 2.2 is an interface which will be adequate, while others may find a Zoom Podcast P4 more versatile. A few current mics we recommend are Samson Q2U, a Rode PodMic, and a Shure SM7B. Test these to find the best one. Before you invest, visit your local music store. Try out the equipment at your local radio station, or watch YouTube channels that test microphones. There's a ton of those. You don't need to spend much money on mics. Mistakes can be costly, so try before you buy.
Advanced hardware, headsets. If you use a headset to record your voice in a solo podcast, you can hear what your voice is doing more clearly. But it's harder to hear external unwanted sounds while you're recording. And yet, if you're interviewing one or more people, a headset is a nice addition because the sound is crisper and you get better quality sound files. Now, editing with headphones has both advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are that the sound is clearer and external noises are not distracting. The disadvantages are that you have to ensure the cups fit over your ears and block out external sounds, and they can be expensive. Simple earbuds are cheaper and work almost as well. We discourage headsets with built-in mics because moving or adjusting the microphone arm makes unnecessary noise. And when a mic is close to the mouth, there are popping and spitting sounds. Microphone arms become loose, and it's a lot of trouble, and the sound quality isn't that much better.
Advanced hardware. Accessories. 4 accessories to consider are a boom arm, a foam windscreen, a shock mount, and a pop filter. A boom arm. For a precise placement, mount your microphone on a boom arm. A boom arm extends the microphone horizontally from the microphone stand. The arm can be adjusted for height and proximity. Animated speakers who strike the table or use hand gestures might accidentally hit the microphone. Contact with the microphone creates low-frequency noise. Boom arms prevent accidental noises because you can move the mic. A foam windscreen. Foam windscreens provide basic protection from the wind when recording outdoors. A shock mount. The shock mount is a mic holder that isolates the mic from the stand or the boom arm to absorb the shock and vibrations. Shock mounts reduce or eliminate unwanted noises, like a moving cable and passing foot traffic. A pop filter. A pop filter, pop shield, or pop screen is a noise protection filter for microphones. Pop filters reduce or eliminate popping sounds called plosives. Pop filters also keep your microphone clean, and they protect it from moisture. What is a plosive? Some consonants stop air and then suddenly release it, which sounds like a little explosion. The consonants in English that typically result in a plosive are T, K, P, D, G, and B. Smash the plosive. Speak slightly off center from the microphone. Sit back from the mic a bit and adjust your mic settings. Buy a Nerf ball, hollow it out, and fit it over your microphone. Good luck as a podcaster.
Everyone's got stories to tell.